How to create a Fantasy Premier League account. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily create an account on your Fantasy Premier League. First off, you're going to have to install the official Premier League application on your device and then click on Open. Once you open up the app, you'll be welcomed by the homepage. First, you're going to have to allow some cookies or according to your preference. So here on your first page, you'll see two buttons. First one is Join My PL and then Sign into My PL. So if you already have a Premier League account, you can just go ahead and click on the second one, sign in. But if you're new, you can click on Join My PL account. You could also visit the app by tapping Come Back Later on the app without actually logging in. Now, in order to log in, you basically have to tap on the More icon at the bottom right. And then from there, you can just go ahead and find the login button. You can go to the Fantasy tab right here and then click on Sign In. And if you are new, you can tap on I need to register. So I'll just tap on that. Now all you have to do here is provide your email address. So you could enter your email address right over here. You could also join with your Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, or even your X or Twitter account. Now tap on join with email. And if you tap on it, as you can see here, I've already used this email to log into my account, but if you are doing this for the first time, you should continue on to a next page where they'll send you a verification code on your email, which will then allow you to create an account. So that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.